In this video, I am going to introduce about the string data type of Python. So what is string? When any number of valid characters are written within quotation marks are called string. A string can hold any type of known characters, that is letter, numbers and special characters. Let me show you some example of string. Here PQRS written within double quotes, so this is a string. A numeric number 3456, when it is written within quote, it is treated as string. Next, this string contains some alphabet and digits, so this is called alphanumeric characters. So this is called alphanumeric string. The next example is B@90, so this is also a string. String is a sequence of characters. Look at this example. Suppose this word variable contains this string. The characters of the string are COMPUTER. Each and every character of string are positioned or indexed by some positive number. So it starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. The first character is indexed as 0. Second character is indexed as 1. Third character is indexed as 2 and so on. The positive indexing starting from 0 are called forward indexing. We can also index this string from the backward. That means the last character will be indexed as -1, then the second last will be indexed as -2, then -3, then -4 and so on. The method of negative indexing is also called backward indexing. Now, if I want to access the first element of the string word, so for that we need to write word within third bracket 0. That means it will access the first element, that is the index 0, which represent C. If I write word within third bracket 4, that means it represent U. Now if I like to use the negative indexing, so I have to write like this: word within third bracket -1. -1 is the last element, that is the last character of the string, which represent R over here. And word -6 is M. Note, string are immutable and hence item assignment is not supported. That means we cannot change the values of a string in place. If I want to replace any character of this string with some other character, no, it's not possible. That's why string is immutable. Let me show you an example in the Python interpreter. First of all, let me declare a string word and its content is computer. Now if I want to access the first element of the string, so I have to write like this: word within third bracket 0. Press enter, it will return the first character, that is the C. Now if I write word within third bracket -1, it will return the last character, that is the small r. Now if I want to change any character of the string, look what happens. Word, let me change the first character with some value, say x. That means I'm going to change C with x. No, it's not possible. This is called a type error. String object does not support item assignment. That means it is not possible to assign any value to any string. Next, operator which works upon string. So first of all, the plus and multiplication operator. The plus operator is called string concatenation operator. This operator is used to join two strings side by side. Or you can simply say, to concatenate two strings, we need the plus operator. And the multiplication operator, this asterisk sign, is used to replicate a string more than one time. Let me show you some example of these two operators. First of all, let me declare S1 equal to, say, ABCD. And S2 equal to, say, XYZ. Now if I want to concatenate these two strings, say S1 plus S2. So here plus helps to concatenate these two strings and it will return ABCD XYZ. Here plus is not acting as a mathematical operator, it helps to join the two strings. We can also join several strings with plus operator. Suppose I'm writing S1, then a blank space in between quotes and again S2. Now it will return ABCD space XYZ. You can concatenate any number of string with the help of this plus operator. Next, replication operator. Suppose I am multiplying S1 with 3. So S1 has the value ABCD. Now ABCD will be replicated 3 times. Look what happens if I press enter. So now it will print ABCD, ABCD, again ABCD. If I write S2 multiply 5, so XYZ will be replicated 5 times. Look, XYZ, 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 and XYZ. Next, come to the membership operators. In and not in. We can also use this membership operator with the string. This is used to search for a given character or a string within a string. Suppose I have a string like this, S equal to have a nice day. Now if I write H in, since it's a character, H in S, so it will return true because H is present within the string S. Now if I write X in, X must be enclosed within code because this is a character, X in S, it will return false because X is not present within the string. Now if I write have or say nice in S, yes, true, the nice, this whole word is present within the string. Now if I write say day not in S, it will return false because this word day is already present within the string S. If I write say X not in S, yes, it's true, X is not present within the string S, that's why it is returning true. The statement is correct. Next, comparison operators. Double equal to, not equal to, less than equal to, greater than equal to. Let me show you some example upon this comparison operator. Let me initialize S1 with say ABCD, S2 with PQRS, again S3 with ABCD. If I write S1 equal to S2, no, S1, S2 are not identical, so it is returning false. If I write S1 equal to S3, it will return true because both are containing ABCD string. If I write S1 not equal to S2, yes, it's correct because S1 and S2 are not same because S1 contains ABCD, S2 contains PQRS. They are different. Next, if I write say ABC greater than capital A BC, this time it will return true. Why? Since the ASCII of small a is 97 and the ASCII of capital A is 65. 97 is greater than 65, that's why it is returning true. It will ignore the rest of the characters. Now if I write say A capital B C D, then greater than ABCD, this time it will returning false. Why? Look, the first character of the first string is A and the first character of the second string is also A, and both are in the lowercase letter. Since they are identical, so it will proceed to the next character for checking. Now the second character of first string is capital B and the second character of the second string is small b. The ASCII of capital B is 66 and the ASCII of small b is 98. So the decision will take place with respect to the differing character. 66 greater than 98? No, the condition is false. That's why it is returning false. That's mean wherever it will encounter a different character, the ASCII of the corresponding character will be checked and the decision will be takes place with that characters only, and it will return true or false accordingly. Rest of the characters following it will be ignored. In the same way, you can also test with less than equal to, greater than equal to. I'm not going to show you examples for each and every relational operator. So let me proceed to the next slide, that is the string slicing. Let me take the previous example, the string computer, and they are indexed as forward and backward indexing. Now look, slicing means extracting a portion of the given string, or you can say you can find a subpart of the string. To extract a subpart, or rather a portion of a string, we need slicing. So slicing is very important in string manipulation. The syntax of slicing is like this. Substring equal to string name. Within third bracket, there should be a start index, stop index, and step size. Let me demonstrate with an example. Suppose if I write word within third bracket 3:6. 3 is the starting index and 6 is the stop index, and they are separated by a colon. This statement will extract all those characters from 3 index, that is from P, and it will stop extracting before the 6 index. It will not go up to 6, it will just stop before the stop index. That means the extraction process will stop at index 5. That means it will extract from 3 to 5. That means PUT will be returned by writing this statement, word within third bracket 3:6. So it will return PUT put. Step size is optional. By default, it is assumed as step size of 1. You do not have to write 1 after this 6. It will automatically understood. If the step size is other than 1, then we have to specify after the stop position. Now look at the second example. Word within third bracket -4, -6, -1. All start stop step are separated by a colon. Here in this example, it will start extracting from -4. The step size is -1. That means it will start extracting from back to front. So the start position is -4. That means it will extract first U, and the extraction will stop before -6. That is, it will stop up to -5. That means 2 characters will be extracted. First one is a U, then P. So it will return up UP. Let me show you this example by writing into the Python interpreter. Let me declare S with, say, computer. Now if I write S 3:6, it will return PUT. If I write 3:6:1, this will return the same thing, because I've already told you that step size of 1 is not required. By default, it is already assumed that the step size is 1. If you do not specify anything, it will automatically understood that the step size is 1. If it is other than 1, you have to specify. Now if I write S -4:-6:-1, this time it will return up. We can also mix up positive and negative indexing. Look, if I write S 3:say -2, look what happened. This also return PUT. How? Because the character at index 3 is P. Since I have written 3 in place of start position, so it will start extracting the character from P onward. And at the stop position, I have written -2. That means it will stop extracting before -2. So the last character is -1. This E is -2. That means this T is -3. So extraction process will stop at T. That means it will begin from P, then U, then T. P is in the third position and T is in the -3 position. That's why it will return PUT. Now if I write, say, :3, then look what happened. If I do not specify anything in place of start position, it will assume 0. That means it will extract the character from the 0 position and stop before 3. That means COM will be extracted. If I write S, say 5:, then nothing is there, third bracket close, it will return TER, because at index 5 T is there, and since I have not specified anything at the stop position, it will extract up to end. That means from T onward it will extract everything, so it is returning TER. Now if I write : then -1, that means I have not specified any start or stop position, but the step size is -1. It will start from the end and move towards the beginning, and there will be a decrement of -1. That means it will print the string in the reverse order. So this is all for this video. In the next video, I am going to explain you about the different methods and functions which are used in string. If you have any query or any question, write it down in the comment box. I will try to reply you back as soon as possible. Thank you.